I think, you go through all the emotions and the highs and the lows, and you really feel that. I love the different moods of the different days.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they
And
change.
when you get to Sunday, that kind of delicate, that amazing kind of slightly teary at times
big
for
time.
all of us, let's face it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Because Sunday's a good one because so much has happened, but you know the end is nice. So I feel like, no, I can't leave.
And the
We're not
Monday
there yet.
morning when you just hear the beep, and they're just-
Seagulls.
Seagulls! I forgot about
Seagulls
Yeah.
Monday morning in a reversing truck. Oh,